Have you ever feel like your edits look clean, but still missing something? That's probably your watermark. It's not just text, it's your identity. So today, I'll show you how I make my clean watermark. Simple, fast, and all on phone. Let's go. So I'm using this clip, and first thing we're gonna do is add your text, the one you want to use as your watermark. After that, select your font, pick the one you like or the one that matches your editing style. Now rotate your text 90 degrees and zoom it. Make it a bit big so it stands out clearly. Next, duplicate your clip, and after that, select your text and the clip, make them a group and mask, then rotate it back to -90 degrees. Now it's time to add shadow. Keep it soft so it gives a clean and smooth look. Finally, adjust the watermark's position in your video wherever you want. And that's it. Your watermark's done. If this helped, drop a like and comment your next tutorial. Subscribe if you want more editing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.